Is marriage hard?
Yes, sir!
I said, is marriage hard?
No, sir!
Will you love her?
Yes, sir!
Will you give up?
No, sir!
Who's right?
She is!
Who's right?
She is!
Do you like jellyfish?
No, sir!
Then you better answer this rider up and shove it down your throat. What's the golden rule of marriage?
If she says she's fine, she's absolutely not fine!
Good job.
Thank you, sir!
You like jellyfish?
No, sir!
Answer this rider, it's going down your throat.
Yes, sir!
Kid says mom said no to late night candy. What do?
Whatever Mom said, sir!
Very nice. Quick scenario. Your wife's had a bad day and is clearly upset with you for no reason. What do?
Comfort her! No expectations!
Don't get too close. This is not about you.
You were right! I was wrong! I can't hear you! You were right! I was wrong!
I don't think you believe that.
You were right! I was wrong!
Don't stop. Scenario. Your wife notices one of your coworkers is pretty. What do you say?
Who, her? I didn't even know she worked here!
Good job. Scenario. Your wife says it's fine to hang with the boys. What do?
Hang with the boys!
Oh, what about you, Cupcake? Do you have a better answer?
Absolutely do not hang with the boys!
Finally, you're listening to me. Wife deserves the very best, and I need it now.
Yes, sir!
Will you cook and clean?
Yes, sir!
What is your wife's job?
Whatever she wants you to be, sir!
Will you give massages without expecting anything in return?
Absolutely, sir!
Your baby has a massive blowout. What do you need?
Diapers! Wipes! Onesie! And a new shirt, sir!
Down. Your wife has a drink and cheated on her. What do? Your ex-girlfriend slides up in your DMs. What do?
Run away!
You will do as you are told.
Do the laundry, wash and fold! 88! 89!
Why did you stop?
I just want to go home!
You can't go home. Your wife doesn't want you there. That's why you're still in boot camp, because you suck as a husband. Now get up and finish the race. You have 5 seconds to strap your baby princess in. Ready? Go. That's not fast enough. Oh, this is a joke to you. This is your baby's life we're talking about. Do you want to hold her?
Yes, sir! Come on, bro.
Do you want to please her?
Yes, sir! You got this!
Then you got to show her a little tenderness.
Yes, sir!
Chicks love that romantic crap.
I don't know, but I've been told. I don't know, but I've been told. Saying sorry never gets old. Saying sorry never gets old.